What's going on, you guys? I just replaced all of the spindles, which means all new bearings on the deck down there. This is this is really my first riding mower, even though this is the 2003 model that I refurbished a couple of years ago, and just been fixing it up over the years. It used to be so loud when you turned on the blades that, man, you felt like you needed earplugs or something. And I figured out that the spindles were quite rough. The bearings were worn out. Even though they do have grease fittings on them, they were never greased by the previous owner. So I tried greasing them and it didn't really help. So I went ahead and purchased all 3 new spindles. And wow, what a difference. The thing is whisper quiet now. I'll turn on the blade here. The blades are on, and such an improvement. Such an improvement over what it was. I mean, I used to have to wear earplugs when I rode this thing, and now it's no big deal at all. So if yours sounds really loud, when you turn on the blades, you probably either need to try greasing the spindles. But if your mower is older, like this one, this is a 2003 model, even though it doesn't really look it, you probably just need to replace the spindles. Not that big a job. Not that difficult to do, and whoa, what a difference. Thoroughly pleased with that. Anyway, that's all. I got other videos on jobs I've done to this mower, tasks I've conquered and whatnot, so check out my other videos if you have one of these Troy Bilt, early to mid 2000 models. I've basically gone through this thing from front to back, top to bottom, over the past couple of years. So check out my other videos if you have one of these and you're having problems with it. I might have already resolved some things that could help you in the future. Alright, like, share, follow, comment. Y'all have a good day. See y'all later.